Welcome to Kalispell Ford. Whether it's routine maintenance or unexpected repairs, our service department is here to keep you on the road with confidence. When you arrive for your service appointment, just pull into our service drive. One of our friendly advisors will greet you and get you checked in. They'll confirm your appointment, go over the work to be done, and answer any questions you might have. If you choose to wait, relax in our comfortable and clean customer lounge, complete with complimentary Wi-Fi, refreshments, and access to our in-house coffee shop, The Great Escape. Your vehicle will be in good hands. Our Ford-certified technicians use the latest diagnostic tools and genuine Ford parts to ensure everything is done right the first time. Can't make it into the shop? No problem, we'll come to you. With Kalispell Ford's mobile service, we bring expert vehicle care right to your driveway or workplace. Our mobile service covers cabin or engine air filter replacements, battery and windshield wiper swaps, key fob battery changes, and more. We can even take care of most recalls and diagnostics without you ever leaving your home. Just give us a call or book online. It's the same trusted service, just more convenient than ever. Once service is complete, we'll go over everything we did and make sure you're ready to hit the road. At Kalispell Ford, we're committed to making car care easy, transparent, and stress-free. Schedule your next appointment or mobile service today. We'll take care of the rest.